Today we're going to do personalized picture frames. And these are some ways you can do it. You can use money, toys, gemstones and pearls. But I chose my favorite in the world, Lego. Materials. You'll need some cardboard or wood or steel or clothing, some glue, and a picture that you really like. So, let's get started. First, you'll have to lay it out like you want it to. And then you put the picture in. After you set it when you want it, you can take everything off. Just take one thing off, and then you put a cotton bud inside the glue. Then you just rub it in a square all the way around the entire thing. Make sure you put so much glue on the picture frame. And then you put the picture on like that. So now the picture's glued on, and now let's glue the pieces. You can also dip them inside. This is my favorite part, just dipping the Lego pieces inside. It's one of my most favorite parts. Make sure you only put it on two sides. You don't want a big mess. Only two sides. This is a fence, and then it made I can make a bubble. Oh, I'm gonna glue all over my hands afterwards. Oh, this is gonna be so... Oh my goodness. This is so messy. Oh, whoa! And make sure the glue dries for about 24 hours. So finally, it's finished. So, here's the money one. It also has glass beads. And the money has colors on it, which is pretty rare. You can rarely find these. And here is my other one I did with some cars. And here's the one that I used with felt, and I put some gems and pearls. And one of my most all-time favorite photos, this one. So, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to leave likes and subscribe. And please don't forget to keep on watching me. And there you have it. See you in a bit. Bye.